In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips and columns in Wix to create a structured, responsive layout. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side and click the Add Elements button with the plus icon. Think of this as your toolbox. It's where you'll find all the building blocks for your page. Next, add a strip. In the Add Elements panel, choose Strip. A strip is a full-width horizontal section that works like a layout shelf, giving your content a clean, consistent structure from edge to edge. Pick a strip template that matches your style. Services, hero, or features are great starting points. Click to add it to your page, then drag it into position. You'll see guidelines that help you align it with other sections so your page looks neat and intentional. To keep everything under control, open the Layers panel from the left-hand toolbar. The Layers panel lists every element on the page, so it's perfect for selecting your new strip or any item inside it without accidentally clicking the wrong thing. When pages get complex, this panel becomes your best friend for quick, precise adjustments. With the strip selected, look for the column options, or choose a column strip template. Columns divide your strip vertically into 2 or 3 sections, or more if needed. Use them to place text next to an image, show features side by side, or organize services or products in a tidy grid-like layout. Aim for balance. Keep similar items aligned across columns and maintain even spacing so the design feels cohesive. Now customize the strip and its columns. Click any text or image to replace it with your own content. Update colors and fonts to match your brand, and use consistent font sizes for headings and body text to improve readability. Change the strip background to a solid color gradient or even an image or video, and watch how it affects contrast with your text. Adjust the size and order of columns to maintain a clean look on desktop and mobile. Pay attention to padding and margins so elements have room to breathe. When you're ready, click Preview in the top right to see everything in action. On mobile, make sure your columns stack in a logical order and confirm that text and images remain legible with comfortable spacing. If anything feels cramped or misaligned, return to the editor and make small tweaks until the layout feels polished across devices. That's how you use strips and columns in Wix to create a structured, responsive layout.